Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. I hope you guys are safe and healthy and following all the precautions and guidelines for COVID-19. It is so healthy to drink a glass of water with lemon and honey in morning. These days I have decided not to go out for workout. So I am doing yoga at home. As you guys already know that I have started reading newspapers. So in first session I am reading the Hindu. After a small break I am starting my second session, and in this I will study polity. I took around 20 minutes break after second session, and now I am starting my third session of study. In this I am watching a YouTube video which is based on free crash course for UPSC prelims 2021, and I am watching history video. These videos and this free crash course is on Prep IS channel. I am sharing my personal experience after watching some lectures of this series. This crash course is so good. They have covered all the concepts beautifully, and you will understand very well. The language is so simple, and you can get short notes for your PSC prelims 2021. If you are giving your first attempt, then it will be so helpful for you. You can find this channel on YouTube. The name of channel is Prep IS. PREPPIAS. They are providing free crash course for UPSC prelims 2021, and in this your entire syllabus will be covered very beautifully, and you will get properly planned lectures of all subjects. This is free 3 months crash course, and it has started on March 17. As you can see, they have lectures for all subjects, polity, economics, history, geography, and even you will get crash course for science, current affairs, and CSET also. Everything is very well explained, and faculty also is so good and experienced, and the topics are exam oriented. It is going to be very helpful for your preparation. Let's see how we can get access to this. Go to the description box of any video and you will get links for different purposes. You have doubt form link, registration link, Telegram channel link. So you have different links in the description box. If you want to ask any doubt, there is a doubt form link. By clicking on that link, you will get a doubt form, and you can ask your doubts by filling up the form. And also there are live sessions to answer your doubts on every Sunday. In the description box, you also have a complete schedule link. By clicking on that, you can get the complete schedule of your free crash course. In this schedule, everything is structured as per the exam specification. There is also a Telegram channel link, so don't forget to subscribe that also, because there you get notes of each lecture. On this channel also you have separate playlist for all subjects in the crash course. In the community section you have a free mock test link. You will get this type of test every week, and you will get 5 high quality free mock tests, so you can prepare for your exam very well by using these mock tests also. Guys, the faculty is also very experienced. They have cleared their prelims and mains exams multiple times, and they have many years of teaching experience. So guys, you can register yourself by the link provided in the description box of every video of Prep IAS channel. Guys, this is the complete coverage of your UPSC syllabus, and best part is you are getting best resources free of cost. So guys, don't forget to register and subscribe Prep IAS YouTube channel. All the links are provided in the description box of this video. Now I am going to prepare current affairs. Today I have a doctor's appointment, so now I will get ready for that, and also I'm going to have my lunch. It's around 2:30, and now I will go for my online class recording, and I will meet you guys after classes. So see you in evening. Bye.
Power